Telegram has rolled out such a powerful update that everything has fundamentally changed. This video will completely change your understanding of Telegram bots. The old text menus are officially dead. Today, the bot is a full-fledged application with a revived interface, colored keys, animated emojis wherever possible, full-screen effects, and avatar generation. Sales are managed by an integrated AI consultant, and inside mini apps, endless video tapes are deployed for online stores, ordering services, online courses, and interactive quests. Accept payments directly in the messenger. Moreover, bots now communicate with each other directly through the bot-to-bot function, linking any services into a single ecosystem. And the coolest thing is that every user who clicks Start Bot stays in your database forever, allowing you to send newsletters absolutely for free. In a selection of short 5-minute videos, I will clearly and without water show you how to run all this through the smart Questflow service. Without programming skills, just writing text to artificial intelligence what you need, or putting together a project using vibe coding. I have already posted all the examples and ready-made templates of multilingual bots in my Telegram channel. The free download link is right below this video. Go ahead and take it. Today we are going to explore an incredibly powerful tool on the Questflow platform, the bot-to-bot block. Just the other day, Telegram rolled out a massive API 10.0 update, and its flagship feature is direct interaction between bots. And guess what? In our visual editor, this innovative functionality is already fully implemented and ready to go. What does this mean for your business? Imagine a scenario. A customer orders a pizza through your Telegram bot. Without human intervention, webhooks, or complex third-party services, your bot instantly transfers this order directly to the delivery service bot. It sends the exact address and order details, and the delivery bot immediately calculates the cost and returns an answer. All this magic happens at lightning speed and right within the Telegram ecosystem. 3 operating modes. Let's look at the screen and see how easy it is to set up. Our block features 3 operating modes. 1. Simple mode. You add the required bot and draft a message. You can easily embed any variables here, whether it's data generated by artificial intelligence or answers entered by the user themselves. For example, a customer chooses the pizza size and enters the address. The bot instantly compiles this data and sends it to the second bot, which immediately provides a ready calculation. No delays. 2. Asynchronous mode. This is designed for truly complex and multifaceted tasks. Let's say you need to calculate shipping, logistics, and connect 2 or 3 different bots to the process at once, so that the user doesn't have to wait while the system calculates everything. The bots start exchanging information and making decisions in the background. The customer calmly proceeds further along the scenario, and as soon as the bots agree and formulate an answer, it is neatly and timely added to your message chain. 3. Dialogue mode. This is an advanced level where bots communicate based on mandatory parameters. If one bot lacks the input data to answer, it uses built-in variables to get the missing information. In this mode, you can link an infinite number of bots together, building entire autonomous networks to solve business tasks. How to enable the feature. Everything is as intuitive as possible. Go to your main project dashboard in Questflow, find the desired project, click this button, and that's it. The bot-to-bot interaction mode is now activated. If the button is toggled off, the bot will work the old-fashioned way, entirely on its own. Conclusion. Setting up bot communication in Questflow is easy, fast, and incredibly effective. Telegram itself has officially stated that bot-to-bot technology is the future of the platform. Stay one step ahead of your competitors, automate your processes on a whole new level and create brilliant scenarios with Questflow.